An in-depth review of the iPhone 15 Ultra, highlighting its exceptional features and performance. Discuss the phone's stunning 6.7-inch OLED display with True Tone technology, delivering vibrant colors and deep blacks, which make every image and video pop. Emphasize its powerful A16 chip, enabling lightning-fast processing and smooth multitasking. Detail the advanced quad-camera system, including the ultra-wide, wide, telephoto, and depth lenses, offering users a versatile photography experience. Paint a picture of the phone's sleek and minimalist design, with slim bezels and a ceramic back panel, giving it a luxurious and premium feel. Use a storytelling style, capturing the reviewer's personal experiences with the device and providing real-world examples of its capabilities. Digital art, created with 3D rendering software, to showcase the phone from different angles, emphasizing its dimensions and highlighting key features. A comprehensive review of the iPhone 15 Ultra, exploring its innovative technologies and exceptional user experience. Discuss the phone's integration of artificial intelligence, which enhances everyday tasks such as facial recognition, voice control, and personalized suggestions. Describe its advanced battery life, allowing users to stay connected for longer periods without worrying about recharging. Emphasize the 5G capabilities, delivering lightning-fast download speeds and seamless streaming. Use a documentary-style approach, incorporating testimonials from users who have experienced the phone's features firsthand. Artwork, executed in an infographic style, presenting key facts and figures about the phone's performance and features a detailed review of the iPhone 15 Ultra's user-centric design and user interface. Discuss the intuitive and user-friendly features, such as Face ID, gesture-based navigation, and customizable widgets, which enhance usability and convenience. Explore the phone's seamless integration with other Apple devices through features like AirDrop and continuity. Describe the privacy and security features implemented to protect users' personal information. Use a conversational tone, as if the reviewer is discussing the phone with a close friend, sharing their own impressions and thoughts. Photography, shot with a wide-angle lens, to capture the reviewer interacting with the phone's features in different scenarios. A hands-on review of the iPhone 15 Ultra's multimedia capabilities and entertainment experience. Discuss the phone's impressive audio features, showcasing its Dolby Atmos support and immersive sound quality. Describe its large and vibrant display, perfect for enjoying movies, videos, and gaming with exceptional clarity. Highlight the storage options for users to store and access their favorite media content. Create an engaging and dynamic narrative, mimicking the excitement of exploring various entertainment possibilities the phone has to offer. Painting, executed with oil paints, to depict a movie scene or a game character on the phone screen.